Water Today's Water Expo, 2nd, 3rd and 4th of June 2022 Chennai Trade Center.
Good evening. Canadian Crystalline Water India is a 50-year-old organization which is concentrating on water, wastewater treatment and desalination projects. We are also doing commercial business models for bottling plants, drinking water plants, carbonated soft drinks, juice plants, breweries, distilleries, and whichever the liquid model is considered. And it's an organization which is focused into delivering complete range of products for water and wastewater treatment with unique technologies in wastewater treatment, industrial effluent treatment, zero discharge plants and tertiary recycling plants. We are also emerging into biofuel, ethanol, grain-based ethanol projects and as well as hydrogen plants. So our main focus of displaying is to showcase our products in water and wastewater treatment as well as the beverage lines where you can see the PET blowing machines, the glass bottle jar fillers, reverse osmosis systems and advanced oxidation systems for textile tanneries and paper and pulp. We are extremely happy to participate in this show, which is an annual event happening every year. Unfortunately, we were not able to present for the past 2 years because of COVID. And we feel the success of the event, and we can see people walking in, and which gives a tremendous knowledge and interest in water and wastewater treatment products. And the entire arrangement is good, and the whole show is about water and wastewater. And we wish all the success to the Water Today management to come up with future shows in the future. Thank you.